Hey guys, subscribe to the Everything channel and hit the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. Subscribe.
Hey, what's up guys, this is Geek at Everything and today we are on unboxing and a review of the Sport Bassheads 100, and in the later part of the video I'll be also comparing these with a Boat Bassheads 225, so by which you'll be able to choose which one is good for you. So this is the box itself. As you can see in front we have a picture of the earphones itself and a Boat branding, and it says super extra bass. So we'll be gonna check out how good the bass is and what kind of sound signature we are getting with these ones. And as MRP it's 999, but you can get it from Amazon for rupees only 549. I'll have the link in the description below. If you are interested, then head over to the link and buy from that link if you want to help the channel out. And if we take these from the box, then we have a little quick start guide. So in this, nothing much, it's just give you some simple instruction which are totally useless. And this is a Boat card in which you will find a contact number of a service center. So if you want any kind of help, you can just and these are some of the ear tips that we have as usual. And guys, we also have this little strap to cable manage your earphones while you are traveling with these, so that's a good thing we are getting. And guys, one of the good thing about these earphones is that we are getting a microphone, because there are so much earphones in this price range that does not include a microphone, but we are getting a microphone, which is a really good thing. And guys, if I talk about the cable quality of these earphones, then I have to say the cable quality is really good. They are made up of it's made up of a really good rubber and pretty thick as well. So if you are a kind of rough user, then nothing is gonna happen. They are pretty rugged. And if you go above, then the cable quality, I would say a cable gets thin, but it's not that much. It does the job pretty well. So don't worry about the cable quality, it's pretty rugged. And guys, if I talk about the quality of the earphones, like build quality and the looks, then in terms of the looks, don't really fascinate me a lot. But in terms of the build quality, I know they are made up of plastic, not metal, but the plastic is really good. I've checked them out and I'm using them from a couple of weeks, and I have to say the plastic doesn't matter. This is the 3.5mm headphone plug, but it's silver plated. I'll be really happy if it's gold plated, but yeah, this is what it is. And guys, in terms of the sound quality, the sound signature is near flat, I would say. Yeah, the bass it's still there, but the bass is not heavy or something like that, like Boat Bassheads 225. So in terms of the vocals, the vocals are quite nice, and mids are above average, I would say. But highs are a little bit increased, means bass is a little bit increased, but yeah, not that much. You can hear vocals pretty nicely, and yeah, overall the sound quality is pretty good, I would say. So if you are a kind of guy who loves so much bass, then these are not for you. So now, if compare these with the Boat Bassheads 225, definitely the Boat Bassheads have a really good build quality. As you can see, they are made up of metal and have, in terms of the looks as well, they looks much better than Boat Bassheads 100. And yeah, so if you are a kind of rough user and you travel a lot, I think the Boat Bassheads 225 would be a great choice. But we'll talk about the sound signature as well. So because the sound is very important, and they are actually angular. Boat Bassheads 100 have a little bit angle, and the Boat Bassheads 225 are straight. So if you want angular earphones, then Boat Bassheads are one of the choice. And as you can see, in terms of the headphone plug as well, we have a angular headphone plug in both bass sets 225, while in both bass sets 100 we have a straight, and it is silver plated as well, while in both bass sets 225 we have a gold plated. And guys, in terms of cable quality, it's actually neutrals because both have a really good build quality. But if you ask me, then the build quality of the both Bassheads 100 is a little bit better. I know the both Bassheads 225 have a flat style cable, but that flat style cable is not of that much good quality, while the both Bassheads 100 have a really good quality and the cable is pretty thick as well. So yeah, but overall both have a really good cable quality. And guys, in terms of the sound quality, the sound quality you'll get in both Bassheads 225 is a heavy bass, and because of that the vocals are a little bit hiding, but in both Bassheads 100 the vocals are highlighting and the bass is balanced. So if you want a balanced sound with little bit high bass, then you can go for a both Bassheads 100. But if you like heavy bass, then definitely the both Bassheads 225 would be a great choice. So guys, you would be the judge what you like, a heavy bass or a standard high quality sound with little bit bass. So guys, this is for this video now, and if you like this video, hit the like button. If you dislike, know what to do. But if you like and get subscribed, please guys hit the subscribe button down below. I'll be really helpful if you do that. Just smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon as well. Goodbye, peace.